last one, this one looks like it might be the hardest. We've got a force that's at an angle relative to the rod. We want to find the R perpendicular and the perpendicular component of the force. Let's start with the moment arm. So here's our pivot. We want to make our line of action. So we're going to extend that force as long as we wish. Then we're going to come perpendicular to our line of action, and then we're going to slide until we meet up with our pivot. So that's in right here. There's our moment arm for this one. So let's do our trigonometry. That's a right angle. This is 3/4 of the length, so this must be 1/4 of the length. We see that this angle is 70 degrees. Our perpendicular is opposite of that, so we can use sine 70 to find our perpendicular. So our perpendicular equals 1/4 of the length of the post times sine of 70 degrees. So 1/4 of 4 meters times sine of 70. Put that through the calculator. So 1/4 of 4 is 1 times sine of 70. 0.9397, 0.940 meters. So there's our moment arm for that guy. And last, to finish up, we want to find the F perpendicular. So let's just go to a fresh sheet. So for our F perpendicular, it means we want a part that's perpendicular to the rod. So let's draw something that's perpendicular. So it's going to look like this. It's only going to come out as far as the force. So it comes out this way. There's the component of that force that's perpendicular. The component that's parallel is going to come out this way, only go as far as the force. Here's our parallel component. These guys are perpendicular and parallel. If that one's 70, then this one must be 20 degrees. And then in our triangle, there's our right angle. 30 newtons is the hypotenuse. F perpendicular is the one we'd like to find. It's adjacent to 20, so we can use cosine again if we wish. So F perpendicular equals F times cosine 20 degrees. Could use sine 70 if that would give the same result. So F is 30 newtons. I'm going to multiply that by cosine 20 degrees. We're going to find this time that our F perpendicular is 28.2 newtons. Okay, so we found the moment arms and the perpendicular components of forces for 3 different kinds of forces that we might encounter in this course.